Good morning guys and welcome to another Airsoft and Airgun unboxing and vlogging. So ngayon ang ating re-review and unbox is the Glock 19X. This is Airgun pistol by Umarex. By the way, shout out kay Sir John Arvin Herrera. Kay Sir. So again, this is the Glock 19X. As you can see sa box niya, ayan. Glock 19X, this is Airgun pistol, caliber 4.5mm in diameter. Umarex po yung brand niya. This is officially licensed product of Glock. Ayan. So ito yung specs, CO2 powered, 3 joules, steel ball, blowback, metal slide, double and single action, 18 rounder capacity magazine, smooth bore barrel. Ayan. Ito siya guys. This is the Glock 19X Coyote. Okay, airgun pistol. Ayan siya guys. With full markings on slide, Glock 19X. So, yung X, ibig sabihin po ng X, is a crossover of two models. So, ito, bali crossover siya ng Glock 17 and Glock 19. So, bali yung slide nito, is the slide of Glock 19, tapos yung pinaka frame and grip, yung pinaka lower frame, yung frame niya and the grip is Glock 17. So as you can see, yung grip niya is mahaba. Yung Glock 19 lang, maiksi lang yung grip nun, hanggang dito lang. Ayan. Kaya siya Glock 19X. So again, the X is crossover of the two models, Glock 19 and the Glock 17. So kung meron kayong makikitang Glock 43X, crossover po yun ng dalawang models. Okay? Basta may X, crossover ng dalawang models. Okay? So this is Coyote airgun pistol. Ayan, ang ganda ng sight. 3 white dot. This is Gen 5. So, ambidextrous na yung kanyang manual safety. You can also install flashlight. Meron siya Picatinny. So, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng flashlight. Okay. And this is the magazine. 18 rounder, 18 plus 1. CO2 powered, CO2 magazine. And also comes with the Allen. So, tingnan natin yung mga kasama. Okay. Also comes with the safety and maintenance manual. And also the operating instruction manual. At ito yung Allen sa magazine. And then, of course, may kasama siyang CO2 and yung steel ball, 4.5mm steel ball, and yung silicone oil. Okay, load tayo ng CO2. This is the CO2 12G Pop Dino brand. CO2 cartridge. Ayan. This is made in Taiwan. Load tayo CO2. Every time na maglo-load kayo yung CO2, sir, lagyan nyo ng silicone oil. Itong part na to. Okay, and then, kailangan mabilis po yung pagpihit. Yan. Then, tamang higpit lang po. Huwag nyo siyang higpitan ng todo. Okay, pag mahigpit na, okay na yan. Then, balik lang natin yung base pad. And then, ang gamit kong bala is the copper coated. This is 4.5mm in diameter. Ayan. Talaga yung pang airgun pistol. Ayan. Dumidikit po yan sa magnet. Ayan. paglo-load ng steel ball, ganun lang oh. Babaan nyo lang yung spring, load. Tataktak nyo lang siya. Yan. Okay. So, itong isang CO2 po is more or less mga 60 shots po bago maubos. 60 shots. Okay? More or less. Yan. Tapos itong unit, ito po, metal po itong slide na to. Metal. And itong nasa baba, yung frame niya is polymer frame. Okay? Then, meron siyang safety ito sa baba. So, ngayon, may makikita ka dyang red, that's fire. F is fire. Ayan. Malalim po siya, sir. Hanggang dulo po yung trigger niya. Hanggang dulo po. Ayan. Papansinin nyo po hanggang dulo. Ayan. So, malalim po yung trigger. Ngayon, pag ilalagay natin siya sa white, that's safe. Ayan. Ganda ng tunog, oh. Okay. Ayan. So, full markings ng Glock. Ganun din sa kabila. Meron siyang serial number ng slide. Tapos, ito yung serial number ng unit. Ayan. Okay. Glock 19X 4.5mm 177. And markings naman sa grip ng Glock. Pulidong-pulido po yan. Officially licensed product of Glock. Okay. Glock 19X. So, loaded na siya. Testing tayo. Okay, firing Glock 19X Gen 5 Airgun Pistol by Yomarex, officially licensed product of Glock. Firing. Lakas. Oh. Open slide. Open slide na po. Ibig sabihin po ng open slide, wala na pong bala yan. So, press mo lang yung mag-release. Pero may CO2 pa po yan. And then, para bumalik yung slide sa original position, hatakin nyo lang siya. Release. Hammer down. Okay, again, this is the Glock 19X Yomarex brand, officially licensed by Glock. Thank you.